morning, students. Today I am going to teach about dihybrid cross. Dihybrid cross, the hybrid obtained. In this cross, hybrid obtained by taking two pairs of contrasting character. In dihybrid cross, two pairs of contrasting characters are considered. So here the scientist has taken round and yellow seeded. That means the color of the seed and the shape of the seed coat. So the dominant is round, the recessive wrinkled for shape, and color yellow and green. So round is the dominant character, wrinkled is the recessive character, yellow is the dominant character, and green is the recessive character. So first parental generation, the plant taken round and yellow crossed with the plant wrinkled and green. These two plants, pea plants, Pisum sativum. Now the two pairs of contrasting character, round and yellow. Here round against round it is wrinkled and yellow green. So these two plants were crossed, that is taken the pollen grains of this plant to the stigma of the female plant, that is the emasculated flower, and then after crossing the gametes formed. This is the gamete of, that means the pollen grains contains the capital R and capital Y, and here the egg, the gamete, the ovum, egg, it contains small r and small y. After fusion of the male gamete and female gamete, the offspring obtained in the F1 generation, that is the F1 hybrid, is round and yellow seeded. That means the phenotype round and yellow seed and genotype heterozygous dominant for both round and yellow. So this is F1 hybrid. Then F1 hybrid produces the types of gametes capital R, capital Y, capital R, small y, small y, and small r, small y. Now these are the types of gametes produced by F1 hybrid. Then self-pollination is done. Self-pollination means the male gametes type and the female gametes type from the same, that is the heterozygous dominant for color and shape. Then after doing selfing, that is the self-pollination, the offsprings obtained in F1 generation, F2 generation through a Punnett square we have studied. So the different types of phenotypes obtained: round and yellow, round and green, wrinkled and yellow, and wrinkled and green. The ratio of phenotype 9:3:3:1. That means 9 we are getting just the parental combination, 1 we are getting parental combination, and this 3 and this 3 the new combination comes, that is round and green, wrinkled and yellow. So after doing this Punnett square, we are getting the phenotype as 4 types of phenotypes, that means 4 types of seeds are obtained. 1 type round and yellow, 1 type round and green, 1 type wrinkled and yellow, and 1 type green, wrinkled and green. So the number of round and yellow 9, number round and green 3, wrinkled and yellow 3, and wrinkled green 1. So the phenotypic ratio 9:3:3:1. And this is not in our syllabus, though I have done the genotype of F2 generation. I have written here the genotype, that the genetic constitution or genetic makeup of the F2 generation. You see, I have written the capital R, capital Y, 1, capital R, capital Y, small y 2, small r, capital R, capital Y 2. Like this, when I have seen all the genotypes, all the genetic constitution of the offsprings in F2 generation, then I got the ratio as, genotypic ratio as 1:2:2:4:1:2:1:2:1:2:1. So the genotypic ratio of F2 generation in a dihybrid cross is 1:2:2:4:1:2:1:2:1. Though this is not in your syllabus, what is there in your syllabus? What is the phenotype of F2 generation? That is the 4 types of phenotypes we are getting in F2 generation. And what is the phenotypic ratio? That is 9:3:3:1. The question will be asked like this. If a round and yellow homozygous plant crossed with wrinkled and green homozygous recessive plant, what is the phenotype and genotype of F1 generation? What is the phenotype and genotype of F1 generation? What are the type of gametes formed by the F1 hybrid? After selfing, what are the phenotypes of F2 generation and what is the phenotypic ratio? Then the question will be asked, what law it justifies? You will say it is law of independent assortment. That when we are taking more than one pair of contrasting characters, each pair will assort independently from the other without intermixing or contamination. Thank you.